spark its 10th anniversary celebration. It all began in 2015 when a spark of an idea ignited a journey that has brought us to where we stand today. Over this past 10 years, that spark has fueled our growth and success, driven by the passion and dedication of our incredible team and unwavering support of our valued clients and partners.
A key part of our success has been Franco's visionary approach to influencer marketing. He recognized early on the potential of authentic connections between influencers and audiences, helping us craft meaningful brand narratives that truly resonate. As we celebrate today, let's carry forward the spark and Franco's vision for a promising future in influencer marketing. Thank you for being part of this journey. Here's for the success all together.
Join us as we remember Franco, not just for his incredible achievements, but for the kindness and warmth he shared with everyone he met. This video is a tribute to his remarkable journey and profound impact he made on our hearts and our world.
Let's reflect and cherish the memories of Franco, whose legacy will live in forever. I love you, Budi. Love you, Franco.
Love you, Budi.
Tiny, bright, seemingly consequential. But given the right conditions, it grows, spreading warmth and energy. This spark is the genesis of every great story. It's what built our company, Sparkit. Today, as we reflect on our journey, we celebrate not just what we have achieved, but also the essential ingredients and driving forces that fuel our growth from a bold idea into a thriving enterprise. Guided by the vision of our founder, Franco Santos, we help lay the groundwork for influencer marketing. Franco's unwavering commitment to values did not just define our company's direction. It became our heartbeat. From the start, he showed us that business thrives on more than transactions. It flourishes through meaningful, purposeful relationships. A company's true strength lies in its people. Our employees are the heart and soul of Sparkit, and their growth is our shared success story. From a small founding group, we have blossomed into a team of nearly 70, each member playing a vital role in our journey. Our expansion reflects not just numbers, but a gathering of passionate, creative, and resilient individuals who believe in our mission. That is why we invest in our people through intentional, nurturing engagements, such as workshops, team-building events, and personal development opportunities to foster both professional and personal growth. These efforts have always been part of our plan, and as we grow, we ensure they remain purposeful and impactful. Now, with a solid and passionate team at our core, we extend our reach to a diverse clientele, local and international brands that entrust us with their visions. These minds are the very lifeblood of our company, sustaining and inspiring us to surpass expectations with every campaign. Through our work, we have activated thousands of content creators, bringing ideas to life while making our mission to deeply understand and champion each client's vision and goals. This commitment drives us to deliver meaningful results and to continually strive for excellence in all we do. To turn bold ideas into reality, we rely on a dynamic ecosystem of external partners. Our content creators, talent managers, who accommodate our inquiries and show patience throughout negotiations. Their contributions are central to our success. Our media partners, whose support extends our storytelling, amplifies our work, and energizes every event we create together. Our creative allies, from makeup artists, hairstylists, stylists, to event partners, campaign suppliers, whose flexibility and dedication, even under tight deadlines, helps us deliver excellence. All these relationships are meaningful and integral to Sparkgate's continued growth. The recognition you've achieved, such as being named PR Team of the Year earlier this year, would not have been possible without the cumulative effort and passion of every single person involved. For that, we owe our deepest gratitude to each and every one of you. Every spark, every idea, every collaboration has contributed to the fire that propels us forward.
And you might think you already accomplished everything, but heck, you just started. Since our humble beginnings back in 2015, our achievements have only fueled us to solidify our place as one of the top influencer marketing agencies in the Philippines. Today, we are proud to partner with an exciting roster of clients spanning diverse industries, from FMCG and tech to beauty, health, food, and lifestyle. Each brand comes with its unique goals, audiences, and expectations, pushing us to constantly innovate and craft tailored strategies instead of relying on a one-size-fits-all approach. This dynamic mix not only sharpens our creativity, but also strengthens our adaptability. And with a 90% client retention rate from the previous year, we're proud to say that our commitment to excellence continues to earn the trust of the brands we serve. We're motivated to keep innovating, driven by the passion to always do better for our clients. Because after all, who wants to settle for the bare minimum? So when it comes to reaching our clients' goals, we rely on continuous research and close observation of marketing trends, transforming insights into relatable and impactful executions. We do this by equipping our employees with comprehensive training to hone both their soft and hard skills, which work hand in hand to help them become the best marketing professionals they can be. This includes internal workshops such as sessions with Kinilu or Talk Shop, as well as external conventions such as Graphica Manila, TikTok roadshows, and the Impact in Indonesia, the NAS Summit, and Digital Marketing World Forum in Singapore, just to name a few. And one strategy that we've recently rolled out to our clients is the rise of the KOC, or Key Opinion Consumer. So you're probably more familiar with the term KOL, which is Key Opinion Leader, who typically kickstarts campaigns and drive reach and awareness thanks to their substantial social media following. KOCs, on the other hand, have always been a part of the influencer mix, but were usually positioned at the bottom of the funnel, sometimes even as an optional tactic even. Today, the tables have turned. We now recognize this group as more than just a nice to have in campaigns because their power lies in authenticity, as they can serve as true ambassadors of a brand they've been loyal to since day one. There's no need to ask them to integrate it into their lives because it already is. All we do is give them the voice and platform to share their story with the wider audience. The influencer world continues to evolve and grow every day, and while we still recognize the well-established names in the industry, we also welcome up-and-coming content creators who can offer a fresh perspective on the brand or product. And in the past, influencer criteria were based primarily on social media following, but now we know that numbers don't always equate to influence. Gone are the days when creators were assessed solely on vanity metrics such as your likes and comments. Because today we take a more tailored approach to influencer products. So the first step is having this strong internal criteria system that considers both qualitative and our quantitative factors. So we go beyond the numbers, ensuring that influencers also align with the brand's values and interests. Next, we determine the role they can play in the campaign. Do they drive awareness because of their following? Can they provide relevance because of their niche? Or are they seen as credible sources? Finally, we identify the best platform to invest in, whether that means cross-posting across all their channels or focusing on just one, where they are strongest and can most effectively deliver our message. At the end of the day, we don't believe in being superficial with our criteria. By being intentional with the way we select and collaborate with creators, we drive purpose into every campaign. This is what allows us to create meaningful connections between brands and audiences, that lasts longer than a single post or trend. And as we continue to master the world of VR, we take a leap of faith and step outside our comfort zone, making good use of our marketing expertise in other industries. Because after almost a year in the making, we are proud to formally introduce two of our newest business students. So, Spark Culinary Concepts is dedicated to bring fresh and unique dining experiences, inspired by global trends. From innovative flavors to distinctive atmospheres, we aim to create culinary destinations that spark memorable moments worth sharing. And just this July, we opened our very first concept at Estancia Mall in Pasig City, bringing the culinary scene of Los Angeles to the bustling streets of Manila with our abilities to respond Asian Western flavors. So we invite everyone to come and experience it for yourselves again in Estancia Mall, Pasig. Next would be Spark Plus Global. It is our distribution arm with its mission to bridge the gap between brands and consumers, ensuring that high-demand products reach every corner of the Philippines. Our extensive network enables us to offer tailored distribution solutions that align with trends and demands. So whether you're a brand seeking to expand your reach, or a retailer looking for reliable product sourcing, we provide the expertise and logistics to make it happen. So take it from Palawan Brewery, the first craft beer in Palawan that aims to deliver the essence of Palawan by encapsulating it in a bottle, inviting people from all corners of the world to experience its magic one bottle at a time. Available now at Claw and also here at our booth on the side, with more retail and restaurant partners in the near future. And as we look ahead, we remain committed to pushing boundaries, telling stories that matter, and creating experiences that connect people in more meaningful ways. Because after all, this story is far from over because it's only getting better. Thank you very much.